We already know about the Honda Amaze, which is a compact sedan, and it has actually been a pretty successful product. And this is because it offers more space, it's very practical, and comes with a class leading boot of 420 liters. Yes, this was the model that was launched in 2018 and really has been a successful product. Now for 2021, Honda is set to launch the new facelifted version of this model. So let us check out what this all new Amaze facelift is all about. The changes on the outside include a new LED projector headlamps, and also there are new DRLs as well, which actually really looks much nicer than before. The grille gets a new two-part horizontal slats and gets a nice chrome finish on it. And then lower down, the bumpers also come with a slight sporty touch with a new fog lamps, which are LEDs again, and comes with chrome highlights as well on the fog lamp bezels. That looks much better. And these are the changes up front. On the side profile, you do get diamond cut alloy wheels of 15 inches in size, and it might look like it would be a carryover from the 4th generation Honda City. It also comes with chrome door handles as well, which is really quite nice. At the back, it will have very minimal changes. The rear bumper will have slight tweak and it looks a little sporty over there with the reflectors on it, and the tail lamps are part LED type. It doesn't come with full LED lights and it could really cost a lot more. So that's why Honda have actually given this a part LED tail lamp. On the inside, the changes are very minimal and there are not much pictures about it, so we cannot tell you a lot about the interiors here. But the dashboard, as you can see, it does come with a silver trim on the passenger side of the dash, and will also even seen in the steering wheel as well. It will also look like a little bit more upmarket because it just actually really makes the car look a little nicer with a silver finish on offer. There is also the addition of a chrome knurled rings for the climate control, and it is going to be very nice to look. It will also have an updated touchscreen infotainment system, but we don't really know whether it would have an 8-inch unit or would continue with the 7-inch unit or not. And it will also come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also could really able to have a connectivity as well, which is of Honda Connect. It will also have almost all the equipment on offer, which is pretty much the same as in the pre-facelift model. But with the addition of LED projector lamps, DRLs, and fog lamps, this actually would really make. The engine options include only two of them, and both of them remains mechanically unchanged. But they were being updated to BS6 in 2020, and it is pretty much the same for the Amaze facelift here. It will be a 1.2-liter petrol engine, which is called iVTEC 4-cylinder unit, which has 90 horsepower and 110 newton meters of torque, and will come with a 5-speed manual and a CVT transmission. The only petrol CVT with paddle shifters is offered in the Honda Amaze, and that is a good thing. However, the diesel version, which is a 1.5-liter iDTEC unit, which is turbocharged, will have a CVT transmission as well, but it will be in lower state of tune with 80 horsepower and 160 newton meters of torque. The manual version will have 100 horsepower and 200 newton meters of torque. The Amaze facelift will be launched on August 18, 2021, and bookings have been officially opened, which you can pay for 5,000 rupees when you're doing it from online, and 21,000 rupees for the booking amount if you're paying it from the dealership itself. And it will be competing it with the likes of Maruti Suzuki Dzire, Hyundai Aura, Ford Aspire, and Tata Tigor. And we'll also really wait for the prices because that day will be the day when Honda Amaze facelift will be launched, and we'll see how well it is priced.